Hello everyone, today we're going to visit Golestan Palace and I want to give you some info about its architecture. The Golestan Palace is known for its unique color scheme, which is a testament to the fusion of Persian and European architectural styles. The walls of the palace are adorned with beautiful glazed tiles in a range of colors, including white, taupe, aqua, and other vibrant hues. The tiles are the integral part of the palace's identity and showcase the rich cultural heritage of Iran. One of the most notable features of the palace is its 7 color tiles, which were inspired by the Qajar period and feature a stunning array of colors, and it adds to the overall beauty and charms of the palace. The tiles have a watercolor-like appearance and are an important example of artistic inspiration of European origin that became so characteristic of Iranian art and architecture in the late 19th and 20th centuries. Overall, the Golestan Palace's color scheme is a reflection of its unique blend of Persian and European architectural styles.
Even the door shapes seems really nice. And you can see a painting of St. Peter Church, I think in Romania. I don't know where it is exactly, but it's a real beautiful painting.
As we entered this room, we realized that there are so many plates, bowls, and paintings, and actually they're all souvenirs that people brought from all around the world, from France, Spain, other countries, and they brought to the king. They all displayed here. People can just pass this corridor and watch the beauties and the art in those days of each country. For example, Russia,